Hi, I'm Jeff Fleisher, and welcome to my shop. This month I'm writing an article on the Beall Wood Buffing System for Highland Woodworking. We thought that it would be an interesting addition to provide a demonstration of the buffing system as well. The Beall Wood Buffing System is used to provide a nice sheen to projects that normally you would use a penetrating oil on, which doesn't provide a lot of surface build. Things like a pen or a bowl where you may use a penetrating oil and want to give it a nice luster. Same with the pen. In addition, I've used it on plates where I've done wood carving, in this case chip carving, and want to give it a nice luster as well. So what I thought I'd do is talk a little bit about the kit itself, the buffing wheels, compound, and wax that's included in the kit, as well as give you a demonstration of how the system works. Towards that end, I've created a little walnut disc that I'm going to buff half the disc so you'll be able to see the difference between the unbuffed and buffed side. So, first thing is to give you a little description of the kit itself. The kit itself is made up of 3 different buffing wheels, 2 using compounds and 1 using a wax. The first one is a all flannel wheel that uses Tripoli as a compound. And this gives you an initial buff of your wood surface. That's followed by a second wheel that is charged with white diamond, a second buffing compound that adds more of a final luster to the project. Finally, you use a buffing wheel that uses carnauba wax. The carnauba wax is very strong, very durable wax, but it's also editable so that anything that you use it on is food safe. So this would make it ideal for things like toys or any kind of project that is going to be touching food. The kit also comes with a combination adapter that it will attach the buffing wheels to a motor. It's shown here on the right. One end of the adapter will fit over your motor and it is fixed in place using 2 set screws. The other end is threaded so that it will thread onto the various wheels using the threaded arbor on the wheel itself. Finally, in my case, I use a number 2 Morris taper adapter that will connect the wheels to my lathe, and I use the motor on my lathe to drive the system. This Morris adapter is an extra item not included in the kit, but is available for purchase. Okay, so what I've done is create a little walnut disc that I'm going to use to demonstrate the buffing system. Right now it has a coat of walnut oil that has soaked into the wood and dried. It is cured for a couple days, and now I want to give it a nice sheen using the buffing system. I've mounted the wheel for the Tripoli compound. We're going to turn it on and charge it, meaning I'm going to touch the wheel for a few seconds to put some Tripoli compound on it, and then we'll buff half of the walnut disc. Done with that one, we'll take it off and put on the wheel for the white diamond. finally, we'll add the Canuba wax using the buffing wheel that's made for that. Okay, I'm done. I've been running the lathe at about 1500 RPM, which is the optimum speed for the buffing system. You really don't want to use a high-speed motor like a 3000 RPM motor. You really want to be able to come down to a slow-speed grinder type motor, which is a 1725 RPM, or on your lathe, variable speed lathe, 1500 to 1700 RPM. Okay, so let's take a look at how the surface looks. You can see the left-hand side is the unbuffed side, just with the oil finish. The right-hand side is the buff side. It's gone through both compound and Canuba wax. And as you can see, it has a really nice, gentle luster to it. So the buffing system is easy to use, straightforward, and gives you a very nice looking finish.